Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action in adding a contact to a list and removing a contact from a list using your constant contact integration. So to start, assuming that you have successfully integrated your constant contact account to AEvent, from the dashboard, you just have to access your timeline. Once your timeline is open, the view by default is the page where we create timeline actions. So from here, you just have to click on create action. So first, I'll be showing you how to add a contact to a list. So I'll be setting this up on the event day, 5 minutes after the event has started. And then I'll be targeting registrants, and I want them to be added to a list using constant contact. So select add contact to list, and I want them to be added to the attendee sequence. All right, and just click on create, and we have successfully added that action. So next, we will be creating a timeline action that would remove a contact from a list. So let's create a timeline action again, and same day, event day, and I'll be setting this up 30 minutes after the event has started. So for this specific action, I'll be targeting non-attendees, and again, I'll be selecting constant contact, and then for this one, I'll be removing contact from list, and I want them to be removed from the attendee sequence 30 minutes after the event has started. And again, my target will be non-attendees. So just click on create, and we have successfully created that action as well. So that's all for this video. If you liked what you watched, please leave a comment below, click on the thumbs up, and click on subscribe so you'll be notified of new videos that we'll be uploading on our channel. Thank you for watching.